If you're using the Samsung S25 FE and wondering whether you should install the latest update or not, stay with me because I'm covering everything in this video. A new monthly software update is rolling out for the Samsung S25 FE models. Coming to the update, this is a monthly security patch update. After installing this update, the phone is upgraded to the June security patch. I'll also show you after the update how the scores of both GPU and CPU performed in the Geekbench app along with my overall review and whether there are any green line issues after this update as well. Coming to the size of this update, it is 333.35 MB. I started downloading the update. Once it completes, I'll start the installation process. This phone is receiving updates on time. Until now, I haven't faced any issues with these monthly security patch updates. Some are noticing battery drain issues after the One UI 8.5 update. I don't know what's wrong with their models, but mine is working the same as before. If I face any issues, I'll definitely let you know. I stopped showing the Geekbench scores in the past few videos, thinking that it wouldn't be reliable for every device as the scores change from one device to another depending on the apps they are using. But many of you are asking me in the comments to add that part as well, so that's why I'm adding it from now on. Coming back to the update, it took around 6 minutes to complete. Make sure you do not press any buttons during this process. When it comes to changes and any issues, on my device there are no noticeable changes or issues. Everything looks and feels the same. The battery backup is also same as before and there are no green light issues either. Coming to the scores, here are the CPU and GPU results before and after. Do note, and again I'm saying this, these scores 100% change from mobile to mobile based on the apps, the temperature of the device, background running apps and so on. Just look at these as a piece of information and also share your device score in the comment box. It's going to help others who are watching this video. So that's the monthly software update review of the Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. Yes, you can go ahead and update your mobile phone as well. Like this video and share it with your friends and family who are using this mobile phone. Thanks in advance for doing that and for staying and watching the video till the end. I'll see you again in the next video.